welcome to the channel Success Failure. Hope you're doing well. So today you will get to know about daily affirmation which you can affirm in the morning to start your day with more happiness, with more strong mindset. So let's get started. Our first affirmation is I am feeling healthy and strong today. You can affirm it 2 to 3 times in the morning to start your day with the happy mindset and a healthy mindset. And our second affirmation is my body is a vessel of wellness. For the wellness of your body, your environment, you can affirm 2 to 3 times in the morning. Our third affirmation is today I will focus on what makes me feel good. Our fourth affirmation is I am healthy and a happy person. For the happiness of your soul, your health and your environment. Our fifth affirmation is I know each day is a blessing and a gift. Our sixth affirmation is today is going to be really good day. So you will like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for daily motivational videos and affirmation also.